Here at the Garden of English, we know the rumors. People often think teaching is glamorous. And of course, this is because we show up at 7, we leave at 2, and we even have the summers off. But anyone even remotely close to this field knows that our jobs as educators are actually really hard and exhausting. And our work can be harder when you're tasked with teaching AP English or when you're tasked with teaching the classes that feed into the AP programs at the school. And that's where the Garden of English comes in. This summer, the GOE is here to help you navigate the ebbs and flows of teaching English itself, since we're offering 3 different workshops over 5 weeks that are meant to fit your instructional needs. Whether you're looking to become a better secondary English teacher or explore and engage with practical activities to better prepare your AP Lang or Lit students for the exam day and college success, we have a summer PD program for you. The Garden of English's online summer workshops for English teachers offer 5 separate weeks of professional development designed to scaffold instruction and empower teachers to effectively engage with their content and their students. This summer, we're offering professional development for all English teachers in grades 6 through 12 to help them and their departments be more purposeful in their vertical and horizontal alignment. And these sessions will be facilitated by the one and only Dr. Brandon Abdon. The legendary Susan Barber will be facilitating the Garden of English workshops for AP Lit teachers, and Dr. Brandon Abdon and I will each be facilitating workshops for AP English language teachers. No matter which workshop you take, you will be provided with time-tested creative strategies that we've been sharing with teachers around the globe for years. You'll also have an opportunity to meet some of our friends. If you sign up for the secondary English teacher session, you'll be joined by the legendary Jim Burke and the incredible Dr. Sarah Zerwin. If you're in my Lang session or Susan's Lit session, you'll be welcome to hang out with flash feedback and good grammar author Matthew Johnson. And if you're in Dr. Brandon Abdon's session for AP Lang teachers, you'll also be able to enjoy time with Dr. Sarah Zerwin, author of the book Pointless. And everyone who enrolls in a Garden of English summer workshop for English teachers will also receive a bunch of other benefits. Some of them include a free copy of the AMSCO textbook for AP Lang or AP Lit if you're in a GOE workshop for AP teachers. And even if you're not, you'll get online access to those. You'll have digital access to the teacher's manuals for those textbooks as well. You'll receive a collection of varied Garden of English materials and access to Susan Barber's entire digital library of instructional materials. You'll have chances to win autographed prizes from the authors that come in and join us, and benchmark and mock exam credits from our friends in Applied Practice. You'll have free lifetime access to the Garden of English's Lit support catalog or its soon-to-be-released Lang support catalog, and many more benefits and discounts offered by our friends from Coach Hall Writes, Perfection Learning, and, as previously mentioned, Applied Practice. If you sign up on our website before April 15th, you can even enter the coupon code EARLYBIRD and take off $100 from the price. And if you're not an early bird and you still want a discount, feel free to enter Summer 25 and we'll take off $50. And if you're interested in having more than 4 members in your English department attend a Garden of English workshop, we will work with your school to arrange for up to 45% off our already outrageously low prices for week-long workshops. Coming to a Garden of English summer workshop is a no-brainer for teachers who are looking to improve their craft.
I may be an idiot, but I'm not stupid.
Everything we look to do is practical. Over the past 4 years, we've had many non-AP and veteran AP teachers in our sessions, and they've always left with more tools for their toolboxes, and they've provided incredibly positive feedback. Don't believe me? Well, you can check out our reviews because they're linked right in the description of this video. Now, let's be honest, this summer, what else would you be doing? I mean, you do have it off, right? Oh, if the world only knew what we go through on a daily basis. But fortunately for you, the Garden of English does, and that's why we want to help you start your next school year with confidence. We are happy to work with school districts and individuals alike. And Susan, Brandon, and I, along with our team of amazing friends, look forward to seeing you this summer. If you'd like more information, you can go to the link right at the bottom of the screen, or you can even click up here. We look forward to partnering with you.